Digital Portfolio Management, DPM. 1. What is the purpose of Digital Portfolio Management, DPM? Select 3 answers. A. Manage services and offerings through their life cycle. B. Provide a unified workspace for portfolios. C. Automate CMDB discovery. D. Align CSDM services with portfolio decisions. Answer: A, B and D. 2. What does a taxonomy node represent in DPM? Select 2 answers. A category grouping services. B. A KPI calculation engine. C. A dependency map. D. A hierarchical classification element. Answer: A and D. 3. What roles are added to the DPM solution owner group? Select 2 answers. ASN_DPM.DPM_manager. B. Portfolio_editor. C. idle_admin. D. CMDB_admin. Answer: A and B. 4. Which elements can be organized under a service portfolio? Select 3 answers. A. Services. B. Offerings. C. Application services. D. Taxonomy nodes. Answer: A, B and D. 5. Which module is used to associate a service with a portfolio and taxonomy node? A. CI Class Manager. B. Service Builder. C. CMDB Workspace. D. Application Portfolio Workspace. Answer: B. Service Builder. 6. What message appears in DPM Workspace before KPIs are configured? A. No sys found. B. No performance metrics. C. Access denied. D. KPI missing. Answer: B. No performance metrics. 7. Which users can create their own personal portfolio? A. Any user with DPM roles. B. Only system admins. C. Only service owners. D. Only EA managers. Answer: A. Any user with DPM roles. 8. What is the purpose of KPI group mappings? Select 2 answers. A. Connect KPI groups to service portfolios. B. Define incident priority. C. Assess CI health. D. Apply KPIs automatically to child nodes. Answer: A and D. 9. What does the DPM, daily data collection job collect? A. KPI values. B. Portfolio role assignments. C. Service mapping data. D. Workflow runs. Answer: A. KPI values. 10. What type must be selected for KPI groups to apply KPIs at portfolio level? A. Service. B. Offering. C. Service portfolios. D. Application service. Answer: C. Service portfolios. CSM and SPM integration. 1. What value does integrating CSM with SPM provide? Select 3 answers. A. Visibility into subscribed customers. B. Aligning customer-facing services to internal offerings. C. Automatic SLA creation. D. Better incident impact analysis. Answer: A, B and D. 2. What is added to the business service offering form? Select 2 answers. A. Subscribed by customers. B. Tasks. C. CI class. D. Business application. Answer: A and B. 3. What does the product model form gain in this lab? A. Offerings related list. B. Service instances. C. CMDB. CI health. D. SPM workflow. Answer: A. Offerings related list. 4. What must be enabled on the offerings list for product models? A. Delete button. B. Edit button. C. Audit history. D. Workflow launcher. Answer: B. Edit button. 5. What is added to the account and GT sold products related list? A. Customer priority. B. Service offering column. C. Cost center. D. Warranty date. Answer: B. Service offering column. 6. A sold product can reference which elements? Select 3 answers. A. Product model. B. Service offering. C. Account. D. Business application. Answer: A, B and C. 7. What is added to the case form to support CSM-SPM alignment? Select 2 answers. A. Service offering. B. Sold product. Service offering. C. Business capability. D. Change request reference. Answer: A and B. 8. What happens when a case is escalated to an incident? Select 3 answers. A. Work notes reference the case. B. Contact auto-populates. C. Service offering resets. D. Case appears in customer cases list. Answer: A, B and D. 9. What does subscribed by customers show on an offering? A. Accounts with sold products. B. Current incidents. C. CMDB dependencies. D. User roles. Answer: A. Accounts with sold products. 10. What two lists show useful insights after integration? Select two answers: A. Subscribed by customers. B. Tasks. C. API logs. D. Performance analytics. Answer: A and B. EA and SPM integration, ideation and strategy. 1. What new CSDM domain was added in CSDM 5? A. Foundation. B. Ideation and strategy. C. Service delivery. D. Service consumption. Answer: B. Ideation and strategy. 2. A product idea can represent which of the following? Select three answers: A. Feature. B. Enhancement. C. Epic. D. Change proposal. Answer: A, B and D. 3. Product ideas are stored in which table? A. CMDB _CI _APPLBSN _line _core product _idea. C. Task _CID service _offering. Answer: B. SN _line _core product _idea. 4. What is a planning item? Select three answers: A request that becomes an incident. B. Any work aligned to business goals. C. Includes demands, projects, epics. D. Stored in planning item table. Answer: B, C and D. 5. What is linked between product idea and business application? A. Planning item, demand. B. Information object. C. Capability. D. Provider group. Answer: A. Planning item, demand. 6. Which workspace is used to view planning items under business applications? A. CSM workspace. B. Digital portfolio management. C. Enterprise architecture workspace. D. CMDB workspace. Answer: C. Enterprise architecture workspace. 7. What related list must be added to business application UI view? A. Support groups. B. Planning item business application. C. Service instances. D. Offerings. Answer: B. Planning item business application. 8. What advantage does linking ideas and demands to business applications provide? Select three answers: A. Immediate visibility of pipeline work. B. Eliminates need to navigate modules. C. Helps avoid wasted planning if retiring apps. D. Enables cost modeling. Answer: A, B and C. 9. Product ideas extend which base table? A. CMDB _CIBSN _line _core planning item. C. SYS user. D. CMDB CI service. Answer: B. SN line core planning item. 10. What does the planning items tab on the business application show? A. Only product ideas. B. Only demands. C. All items extending planning item. D. SYS supporting the app. Answer: C. All items extending planning item.